Members of the Vineland Police Department were dispatched to the area of West Park Drive to respond to a 911 call of an individual operating a construction backhoe in an erratic manner. At approximately 5 a.m., several Vineland police officers encountered the construction backhoe being operated by Mr. Gonzalez. The police officers attempted to stop him for approximately 30 minutes.
6, send an ambulance for the other driver here.
It's still out with that other car, and it's on Lincoln Avenue. Get out of the road.
Get out of the road.
Try to get in front of him.
6, where do you need the ambulance?
Everything's going to tune up too, unless we're directly involved with this.
6, send it to where the other vehicle was struck by this car.
I just struck a police car.
Fuck, bro.
Hey, is anybody in that car? Do we have a police officer in that car that was just struck?
6, negative, it's my vehicle. 829 and 826 have been totaled.
District 8, call chief of police. Copy.
Come on.
There's no kind of blind here. Let me know what he's doing. Right behind you, he's going south. Jesus fucking Christ. 2 police cars completely destroyed.
Are you alright?
No, I'm in shock.
Alright, we're headed
I'm going to work.
Pennsylvania.
Alright, come back to
Come on. We're gonna have you sit down, okay?
At this point, this is a pursuit. We are in pursuit of this He's going in the house, dude. We gotta do something now.
Alright. Hey, they're screaming. Louis, you gotta get up here.
he still inside?
Gotta get up here.
I don't know how to, man.
Right here. It's okay, Louis. Fuck. It's okay, Louis. We gotta do what we gotta do. Come on. Come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on.
Check houses. Check houses. District 8. Multiple gunshot wounds to him. Please send EMS in here now. We're all the way down by. I need guys in here with me. I gotta start checking these houses.
Copy, sir. I just want to confirm no officers were injured, correct?
No.
No. As of right now, no officers.
CPR. CPR. You guys got gloves? CPR. Handcuff, handcuff, handcuff. Handcuff. Handcuff, hold up. Where the fuck's his hand? Flip him, flip him, flip him. Send EMS. Get him up, get him up, get him up. Where's he shot? We have to render. We gotta render. He's shot in the face. Fuck.
Copy, sir. I just want to confirm no officers were injured, correct?
We can't really.
No.
Go inside!
Right now, no officers injured.
What is that? CPR. 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 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.